Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics in English Medium by Gyaneshji sir. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to help learning mathematics and understanding how to solve the mathematical problem. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is circle. Circle. eh, In circle we have already learned what is the circle, definition of circle, part of circle, and today's we learned what is the how we can find the area of circle in part system. Means if we have some parts of circle. So let's start today's first question. Here we have given the radius of concentric circle are 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Then the area between these two circles. Concentric circle means if we have a circle and we have a also circle inside of it, and both circle center are same. Concentric circle means if two or more circle center are same. So here if we have given the small circle radius is small r and big circle radius is capital R. Here if we find the area between of these two circles, then we have to solve the area. Here if you see, then it look like here we remove a small circle from a big circle. If we remove anything from any things, then we subtract it. So removing means subtract. So here we subtract big circle, subtract small circle, means small circle removing from big circle. So area between these circle means first we find the area of big circle and then we find the subtract the area of small circle. Here big circle area is pi capital R square and small circle area is pi small r square. Now here both pi are common, then we get pi is capital R square minus small r square. Here it is look like a square minus b square. So we can change it pi bracket में capital R minus small r and capital R plus small r. By this method we can find the area of concentric circle between them. So area between these circle equals to pi bracket capital R minus small r, capital R plus small r. Here we can solve it. Pi is 22/7, capital R is 4 minus 3, 4 plus 3. After solving it we get 22/7 multiply 1 multiply 7. 7 are cancelled, then we get 22 centimeter square. By this method we can find the area between two concentric circle. Concentric circle means we have already learned the two circle with center are same. By this method sometime he asked what is the formula of concentric circle between area. So we can solve only this part. And if we ask the area of between two concentric circle, then we solve it. So by this method we can find the area of between two concentric circle. So let's start next questions. Here we have given the radius of circular grassland is 35 meter. There is a footpath. All around it is width is 7 meter. So here we have a circle just like it, and we have given its radius, that is 35 meter and 7 meter width path all around it, means all side we have 7 meter path, means its thickness is 7 meter. Now if we want to find the radius of larger circle, then we have see that inner radius plus width of path, then we get the larger circle radius. So we can find the capital R by the addition of width and inner circle radius. Then we got R is 35 plus 7 means 42 meter. So we have two radius, one grassland radius, that is 35 meter, and total radius with path. So now we can calculate the area of path. So area of footpath. In previous question we have solved the formula of area between two concentric circle is pi bracket में capital R minus small r and capital R plus small r. So put the value 22/7. Capital R is 42, small r is 35. Again 42 plus 35. Now we solve it. For solving it, 22/7 is as it is. 42 minus 35 is 7. 7 are cancelled out. And 42 plus 35 is 77. Now 7 are cancelled. Then we multiply 77 multiplied by 22. Now we multiply it. 154 and 154. Then we got 4961. 1694. So our answer is 1694 meter square. It is the path area. Here we see that the inner radius are given in our questions. So if we want to find the outer radius from inner radius, then width are added. If we have given outer radius and we need to find the inner radius, then width are subtracted. So by this method we can find the area of path between two concentric circles. So let's start. Next question. Here we have given the cost of construction boundary wall is 5,280 rupees and rate is 24 rupees per meter square per meter. So here we see that per meter means we have given boundary wall or we made the boundary wall all around the field. So that is the parameter of circle because it is a circular part. So we know that the parameter of circle is 2 pi r. But here we have given total cost and rate. Now we have to find the total parameter. So the length of boundary. For finding the length of boundary, we divide the total cost by the rate. And in mathematics basic things, we have already learned that if we have given each every one and total, then we divide always. If we have given total and each every one. If we have given total and if you want to find the each every one, then also divide. Only one time. If we want to find the total and each every one are given, then we multiply. Only one time. So here we divide the value. So 5280 divided by 24. By dividing it, we get 220 meter because here unit are in meter. Boundary wall we made only the boundary of any field. Here it is the circle. So parameter of circle in other language, circumference of circle is 2 pi r. It's 2 pi r. That is 220 meter. 220 meter. Now put the value. 2 multiply 22 upon 7 multiply r. So we take alphabet in one side and all other things in second side. Then we got r equals to 220 multiply 7 upon 2 multiply 22. Now 22 are cross out. 22 1 is 22. 22 1 is 22. 1 0 is as it is. 2 1 is 2. 2 5 is 10. Then we got 35 meter is radius. Now we are plugging the field. We always plugging the inside of field. Means that is the area. Because boundary wall is parameter and inside part is called area. So we have to find the area of circle. That is pi r square. And pi value is 22 upon 7 multiply 35 multiply 35. 7 multiply 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35. Then we get, after multiplying it we get 3,850 meter square. It is the area of field. Now we have given rate and asked the total cost. And I have already said that if we have given each every one and rate and find the total, then we multiply it. So multiply by the area. Then total cost is cost of plugging is 3850 multiplied 0.50. So after solving it, we get 1925 rupees. Means for plugging, total cost is 1925 rupees. By this method, we can check and find the cost, rate and total cost, parameter, area of circle. So thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. If you have any type of problem, write in comment box. I give that problem answer. So thank you.